Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You've got the clip duplicated and the audio unlinked. Start by assigning the audio to dialogue in Essential Sound so Premiere applies the right defaults. Once done, scrub for noisy sections and add markers where background noise is worst. Make sure to work on a copy of the sequence so you can /B quickly. This preserves your original. You're now ready to apply targeted effects and noise reduction without risking irreversible changes, and you'll be faster when you reach the noise print step. Begin with Premiere's denoiser at low reduction to avoid artifacts, then add adaptive noise reduction for variable noise. You'll remove broad hums without smearing dialogue. Next, send the clip to Adobe Audition via Edit in Audition and capture a noise print from a silent portion, because spectral subtraction targets persistent background more precisely. Once returned, apply a notch EQ for rumbles and a subtle multiband compressor to tighten dynamics. This layered approach render a full quality preview and listen on headphones and speakers to confirm clarity. You want consistent dialogue without artifacts. If you hear warbling or underwater tones, make sure to reduce the reduction amount by about 25% or recapture the noise print from a different silent segment. This fixes mismatched profiles. Once satisfied, automate clip gain or add keyframes for breaths and background fades. Finalize by exporting a short test file, because one quick check saves rework later.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.